Manjaris are
Fortunate.
where the Vastu goes, the Chaya goes. So the Prem Vastu is Radharani, and the Prem Chaya is the Manjari. Namaste. There's a sunlight and a Chaya. Like you see, this is called Chaya. This is light, the Vastu, the substance, and this is a Chaya.
Yes.
So wherever this hand is going, the Chaya is going.
Goes along.
So Radharani is a Prem, Surya Prem, and the Manjari is a Chaya. Inseparable. And Radharani has no fear, no hesitation, but she's a little fearful in front of her older sisters, gopis, or equal, even Alita. She has some laja. She's Lajeshwari Radharani. She feels shy to it. But it says, and Prabodhananda Saraswati is talking many verses in Radharasa Sudanidhi, we Gaudiyas, many shlokas, we see from the Vichara, the Gopi Bhav, Manjari Dristi. There's 45 verses. We've given class on Radharasa Sudanidhi, discussed most of these verses. There's 200 and and so many verses in Radharasa Sudanidhi. And about 45 of these verses are specifically Manjari Bhav.
Yeah.
45. And this is brought out by Anantadas and also Ananda Gopal Goswami